Seems like every day I'm talking to real estate agents that have no idea why they're not making money. It's actually fairly obvious why you're not making any money. The offer that you're putting out there is not attractive to the buyers and sellers in today's market. Like, what's your offer that you're going to represent them? You care about their business? Your offer is the problem. If you get your offer right, people are magnetically attracted to you. If you don't have a good offer, if it's just, hey, I'm a licensed realtor and I can unlock doors for you and I can negotiate the contract and I'll make sure you don't mess anything up. If that's the case, you're out of the business. You've been commoditized. You are the dinosaur realtor that will become extinct through starvation. Because you're not going to get anything to eat. You're not going to be able to close any deals. I want you to improve your offers. Hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.